This is a quick tutorial over Windows 8 Professional. I just installed this about maybe a week ago as it first came out. I'm doing this as kind of a guide for several of my friends who are still undecided whether they want to switch to Windows 8, and some who just want to see what features are incorporated on Windows 8. When you first log in, this is the first screen you'll actually see. Microsoft has incorporated this mainly because of everything switching to tablet PCs. Android and Apple have taken the market by storm with Apple's iPad and iPod, and Android, which is on nearly every smartphone and several brands of tablets. Windows is keeping up with the market by introducing this to be installed on nearly any type of platform, such as a tablet, laptop, netbook, or desktop. When you first install Windows 8, you'll actually be prompted to use your Microsoft account, kind of like you would for Android or if you're running a Windows tablet. This allows you to access Microsoft's application store that they do for tablets. I like a lot of these applets, like for instance my Netflix app here keeps me from logging in, and so is my Skype. Windows 8 does allow you to have the option of using just a local account, but if you use the local account you cannot access the Microsoft Store. First things first, your settings for your computer, you'll have to go to the top right hand corner. A bar will appear. This will give you a list of settings, your devices such as your printers, your DVD drives, and things like that. Whatever is being shared on your network. You can also search as you do your search screen in Windows 7 and in Windows Vista. You can click this. This will also throw you to your start menu, and you'll see that this feature is not on the desktop portion of your computer when you get to it. Click settings will throw you to several things. You can have tiles on your start help, your network you're connected to, your volume. This is mainly for tablet right here, adjusting your brightness, keyboard settings. If you were to restart your computer, put it to sleep, or restart, shut down, it's all located right here. Notification area, lets you know how long to hide your notifications. Changing PC settings. Click this, will throw you to several things. When you first start your computer, I could not show you this because my screen recorder would not allow me to do so. This is your lock screen. This will be the first screen that you'll see when you first start your computer up after you've logged in everything. It gives you a chance to customize it. You can change your backgrounds. It gives you several choices here, or you can choose your picture. I've chosen my own. You can do this for your start screens. This is the picture that you'll see. You can change your color to how it appears or anything like that, and your design. Now I'm not sure if you can add any other pictures on there. I have not found the setting yet that allows me to. If there is out there, someone please let me know, because I would like to change this. Also, you'll click users. Allows you to add users, and on this setting here you can switch to your local account, as in your Windows 7, to just log on to your computer without connecting to your Microsoft account. But if you do this, you cannot, like I said before, you cannot access the Microsoft Store by doing so. You can add other users on here through using their Microsoft account. Your notifications, how you want your applications to show on your notification area. Search, history, different settings. Sharing, you can see all the settings on here of how you want to share your people's mail. Privacy, general, basic settings that you will have. This setting is new to Microsoft 8. It's actually one of my favorite settings. This setting allows you to sync between different computers. I have Windows 8 installed on my desktop and on my laptop. This setting is very nice because Once you set one of these settings, like I set all these settings onto my desktop, and you log in using your Microsoft account, if you're logged on both computers using Microsoft account, they will sync between. So once I've installed it on my laptop and logged in on my laptop, all my settings such as my desktop background, my start menu, my lock screen, all those settings were already set onto my desktop once it started up. On here you got your home group of how you want to share between your network, media devices, anything like that. And if you do not have Windows set to do automatic updates, you can come run manual updates to check for updates here yourself. Okay, there are two different ways once you get this app running. These are running as apps. So you can either go to the top right hand corner and click start from here. This will throw you to your start menu. Or you can go to the bottom left hand corner and click there once the start appears. So either one will throw you to there. If you have several apps running, top left hand corner, the most recently opened window will appear. If you scroll down, staying on that, it will pop up all your other windows, such as your apps that you run, like Store that I have, my Netflix I've opened up, my desktop. Your desktop runs as an app pretty much on this PC technically. So I have my desktop set up here as a shortcut. As you can see, this is the as you can pin apps on Windows 7 and on Windows Vista onto your start menu. You can do the same thing for this. To reach your other apps, you can right click in a blank area here, put your cursor all the way to all apps, and this will open all the applications that you've installed from the Microsoft Store. Most of these came pre-installed once I installed it, and all the other stuff that you've installed as you scroll through here, either pre-installed from the operating system for desktop or programs that you've installed yourself. As you can tell, I've installed a lot of programs already, and all my browsers, of course. To return to the start menu, you can either click here or choose either one of these. Either one will work. Now we'll go to the desktop, which is most familiar. This has not changed much at all. The only thing is you no longer have the jewel down here for the start menu. You can either click here or here to your start menus. So going back to my start menu. Once you have these apps open, if you do not want to run these apps all the time, you can always right click and close them and get them out of your way. Also, another feature, how you pin apps to your start menu. Right click and go to all apps. Choose the app that you wish to pin to your start menu. Let me choose one I have not pinned yet here. We'll choose any one of these. We'll choose OneNote here. Right click on the app. It'll pop up a check mark, and you can do these to any one, but right click, give you your options. You can unpin from start menu. Apparently I've already got that pinned to start menu. You can pin this to the taskbar, which is on your desktop. You can uninstall the app, which uninstalling you can uninstall from an uninstaller from your settings. Open the file location or run as administrator. So let's deselect that. On your start menu, if you pin an app and you do not wish to have that app remain on your desktop, same thing as you do pinning, you right click and just hit unpin from start menu, frees up a lot. Now once you install and update Windows 8, you'll have a lot of shortcuts over here that you may or may not want. You can go through and click. Like I said, on my desktop, this is basically has not changed. The only feature that really has changed on this is there's no jewel located on this side. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section, and Thank you for watching.